Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a simple yet very delicious shrimp starter that gets done in no time. Simple ingredients and easy steps to follow is really helpful to make this shrimp appetizer. Fried to perfection to get that crispy crunchy flavor, maintaining the juicy tender texture of the meat. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make these crispy garlic prawns. To make this appetizer, I'm using tiger shrimps or the tiger prawns that are really big in size. These are already deveined and cleaned well. All I'm doing is just chopping those legs and tail a little bit just to get a better size. So these should be like this, all cleaned and washed really well. Let's start marinating our shrimps. So half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt about half a teaspoon. I'm adding some store-bought garlic powder, just ballpark it about a teaspoon or so. For tanginess, some lemon juice, so squeeze half a lemon. Rub all these masalas really well to the shrimp. Since these are huge prawns, I have kept the shell on. That helps to maintain the juicy texture of the shrimps as you fry them. Let these rest for half an hour or so. Add enough oil in a kadhai. We are not completely deep frying it, but just enough so that the shrimps fry well on both the sides. So let's drop these in the hot oil. And we're going to fry these on a medium to medium high flame for a couple of minutes on each sides. The shrimps get cooked really fast. Flip them 1 or 2 times more just to fry them on all sides really well. And these should be done in about 3 to 5 minutes. So first batch is done. Let's take them out. Let's start frying the remaining ones. So again, I have used only about, I believe, 12 or 13 big shrimps for this appetizer. Now I'm going to remove all that excess oil because we really need only very little oil. So just take everything out. Leave about a tablespoon or so, and now we are going to add about 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic, and I have cut them into small pieces. Just fry until they get nice golden color. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, little bit of salt, and that's mainly for this ginger and garlic. Give a quick mix, and now we are ready to drop our fried shrimps. Just toss everything together. Look at that, looks amazing. Just to get all flavors together, I'm just going to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. It's done. Let's remove the cover and add our green onions. Mix it one final time. It's smelling amazing in here. Look at that. Simply serve it hot. This shrimp appetizer can be a meal in itself if you combine it with some salad, or you can also enjoy it with any kind of, mint chutney or a side of some, onions or tomatoes. So it's really up to you how you want to enjoy it. Look at that. The shell comes off so easily and the shrimp inside is really juicy and tender. Let me give it a try. Just amazing. Definitely worth a try. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.